As you explore the internet and create links to web pages that you want to revisit, your favorites will probably begin to add up. Additionally, when you consider all the favorites that come preloaded with Internet Explorer, your list could become quite long and disorganized. Fortunately, Internet Explorer includes tools you can use to clean up your list of favorites. The Organize Favorites dialog box provides much control over your favorites. You can move favorites to folders, create new folders, and rename favorites. Another handy feature of the Organize Favorites dialog box is that it tells you when a folder was last modified or when a web page was last visited. You've added several favorites, and now you want to bring some order to them. You will use the Organize Favorites dialog box to create a new favorites folder. Then you'll move some of your favorites into the new folder. Let's begin by opening the Favorites Center, which will lead us to a command that will allow us to arrange our favorites. We can access the Organize Favorites dialog box from the Add to Favorites menu. To open this menu, we just need to click the down arrow adjacent to the Add to Favorites button. The Organize Favorites dialog box lets us see the current structure of our favorites list. Here, we can move, rename, or delete any of our existing favorites or folders. We can also create new folders. As we add more favorites, the list will start getting cluttered, so let's create a new folder that we can move some favorites to. That would make the list a little less crowded. With just the click of a button, we can begin doing so. Notice in the list that a new folder has been added. Now we need to specify a name for our new folder. The text is already selected, so all we have to do is type the new name. The favorites we want to categorize are all related to travel, so let's just name it that. Let's go ahead and confirm the new folder's name. Now we've got a place to put all of our travel-related favorites. We can begin moving them by selecting the first favorite that we want to place in the folder and then clicking the Move button. Clicking the Move button has opened the Browse for Folder dialog box. This is where we can choose which folder we want to place our selected favorite in. Let's place the Lonely Planet favorite in our newly created Travel folder, and then click the OK button to confirm this move. The Lonely Planet favorite has been moved into the Travel folder, which is why we can't see it right now. Now let's try another way of moving a favorite. Let's click and drag the Orbits favorite, another travel site, without releasing the mouse button until we reach the Travel folder. The Orbits favorite is now located in the Travel folder. We've learned how to move favorites by using the Move button as well as the click and drag method. These same methods can be used to move folders into other folders, which creates a subfolder structure. Remember, as your list of favorites grows, it's helpful to take the time to place your favorites in folders so you can always find the one you need quickly.